तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दं किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसी मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषाम् अपि चित्ततन्वोः. When the divine fragrance of Tulsi Devi entered into the nostrils of four Kumaras, Antarkatasva Vivarena Chakaratisham. That's Mahajanayana Gatasapanta for the four Kumaras. Tulsi Devi is Mahajana. And of course, Bhagavat Gandha also entered into their nostril. So then, with that, the transcendental mellow is awakened. When there is Mahajanayana Gatasapanta, transcendental mellow is awakened. So that's the mellow these four Kumaras have experienced. Sanshobham akshara jusham apichittatanvo. That's not sentiments. Four Kumaras, they were not sentimentalists. And that's a transcendental mellow because of Mahajanayana Gatasapanta. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhava mahadavatni nirvapanam. This is Nama Tattva. Nama Tattva. Nama Tattva. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhava mahadavatni nirvapanam shreya kairva chandrika vitaranam vidyavadhu jivanam anandambudhi vardhanam pratipadam purnamrita swadanam sarvatma snapanam. Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Nama does this all. Shri Harinama. Jaya Jaya Harinama. Nam Namakari Bahudam Nija Sarva Shaktis. Hey Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Krishna Nama. Oh hey Krishna Nama Akshara. Tumi Sarva Shakti Dhara. Jivera Kalyana Vitarane. In order to distribute the auspiciousness to all these jivas, Krishna Namakshara, you have descended. Namnamakari Bahudam Nija Sarva Shaktis Tatrarpitaniyamitam Smaranena Kalam Yetatrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Namapim Dhurtaiva Mitrishamiya Janina Nuraga Trinadapi Sunichena Tarore Vasahish Amani Namanadena Kirtaniya Sada Hari Nadanam Najanam Nasundarim Kavitam Vajagadesha Kamani Mama Janmani Janmani Shware Bhavatad Bhaktiyahai Tukitvayi. When the Nam Bhajan goes in Tattva, the Sambandha Abhideya Prayojana Tattva, one will inevitably be brought to this stage. Nadanam Najanam Nasundari. Only Bhavatad Bhaktiyahai Tukitvai. Nam Bhajan with Tattva, Sambandha Abhideya Prayojana Tattva. This Nama, I have a Sambandha to this Nama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. These are not just some sounds in the air here and there. No. This is Bhagavan, and with this Bhagavan, I am given Sambandha, Divya Sambandha by my Sambandha Tata. Sambandha Tattva, then Abhideya Tattva. Because Bhagavan is here, and I am a Jiva. With Sambandha to this Bhagavan, I take Ashraya of this Bhagavan. He is Bharta, I am Pritya. That's Abhideya Tattva. And when Nam Bhajan happens, with this, understanding of Tattva, that I am Vritya, dependent on this Bharta Shri Harinam Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then Prayojana Tattva, Preeti to Bhagavan is given. Prayojana is attained. Naam Bhajan with Tattva Jnana, Sambandha Abhideya Prayojana. Then Achira Kalena. That's how the prema descends into the heart. After all, this is the nama that's brought by Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Prema is right in there. This is not Kevala Nama. The nama given by Guru and Gauranga. Ainanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mishami Bhavam Buddham Krupayam Tava Pada Pankajam Stita Dhuli Sadrisham Vichintaya Nanda Tanuja Krishna. This nama, Shri Harinama, picks us up from the ocean of poisonous moods and places as a saffron dust particle at the lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Nayanam Galadashrudharaya Vadanam Gadgadarudhaya Giram Pulakayeram Chitair Vapukada Tavanama Grihanim Bhavishyati Yogayitam Nimishena Chakshusha Pravarshyayitam Shunyayitam Jagat Sarvam Govindamirahe Nami Aslishya Pinastumam Adarshanam Marmahatam Karotu Yada Tatha Vidadhato Klampatu Mat Prananathastu Sayevana Paraha. Hey Pranananda, Shri Harinam Prabhu, oh hey Krishna Namakshara, I have Sambandha, Divya Sambandha with you. Preeti Seva. Yeah. My only eternal occupation, my only occupation, eternal occupation is Preeti Seva for you, Bhagavan. That's the Prayojana. Mat Prananadastu. Hey Gopinanda, Shri Nam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everything is here. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Dharamatya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadham Namalele Bhaya Premadham Atayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma Nami Prasputita Koile Rupa Guna Karma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय, श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय, आचार्य भगवान